what is REST and what is RESTful web services. So REST is nothing but representational state transfer. So what happens is you have some data in database. Now my client wants that if I give you one ID, say 1, please give me all the detail including the ID and its name. So I'm sending the ID and I'm getting the name. So this is the transfer of state. It is transferred over a network using HTTP protocol using the REST APIs to my client. So this is the transfer of state from database to my client in the JSON format. You can also have it in XML format. You can have it in multiple formats, text, HTML, many ways. REST is the transfer of state, and the way to do that in the API format is RESTful web services or the REST APIs. So what are RESTful web services? RESTful web services are nothing but web services that follows the REST architectural concept. What is REST architectural concept? The REST architectural concept is being completely stateless and following client-server architecture, a particular client. So this is my Postman. So what is this? This is client. This is Postman. From Postman, I want to hit your database. So where is my database? A database is connected to a server called as localhost. So this is my database. Now I want this whole entity to be transferred from this database to my Postman. So it is going to hit with the ID and expect the response. How would you do that? So there is nothing but a interface or abstraction, which is nothing but REST API. This REST API is capable enough to become an intermediate between your client and your server. So you will ask me, what is server here? Server is nothing but localhost :8081. So there is a port where I have started my Tomcat. That is nothing but my server. So Tomcat is my server. This is my database which is connected to your server. So from client, you are hitting your server and expecting a result. The way to do that over with the HTTP protocol over the network is REST API. What is the architecture that REST architectural concepts is? Nothing but stateless and client-server architecture. It is nothing but an architectural style for developing applications that can be accessed over a network. How would you access anything over a network? Using HTTP or HTTPS protocol in terms of REST APIs.